The perimeter of a standard size rectangular rug is 32 feet. So here's a rug, and I know that the perimeter is 32 feet. The length, I should say the length, is 2 feet longer than the width. So if the width is x, then the length is x plus 2. The length is x plus 2, and the width is x. Find the dimensions. So if I put this all together, x plus x plus x plus 2 plus x plus 2 is going to equal the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4x plus 4 equals 32. Subtract 4 to both sides, and 4x equals 28. And when you take 28 and divide it by 4, x equals 7. So I know that the width is 7 because that's what x represents. Well, x plus 2 is the length, therefore the length is 9. One canned juice drink is 25% orange juice, another is 5% orange juice. How many liters of each should be mixed together in order to get 20 liters that is 18% juice? So we're going to go ahead and set this up. I have x, which we can say this is x, and y, and that's going to equal 20 liters. Now I don't know what x and y represent, but the second one in the system of equation, I've got to give value to each. Well, if this right here is my x, 0.25% is x, plus 0.05 is y, and I want that 20 liters to be at 18%. So now I have a system of equations. So what I'd like you to do is solve this system. I can also send you a way to solve it in your calculator as well. A basketball team sells tickets that cost $10, $20, and $30. The team has sold 550 tickets overall. It has sold 176 more $20 tickets than $10 tickets. The total sales are 10,090. How many of each kind? So we're going to set up a system. So my first row, I'm going to talk about tickets. Well, I have x plus y plus z, and I sold 550 tickets. The second row, it's going to be the value of the tickets. Well, x is going to represent the $10, y will be the $20, and z will be the $30. And that's a total of 10,090. So right now I have two rows that represent something. The third row, it has sold 176 more $20 tickets than $10 tickets. So this is what we're going to look at right now. Has sold 176 more $20 than $10. So off to the side, I'm going to write $10 tickets are X, $20 tickets are Y. For them to be equal, I have to put 176 here. It has sold 176 more $20 tickets. So for them to be balanced, then this and X will equal the same as Y. So now what I'm going to do to finish this is I want to have my equal sign here, and I want it to go X, Y, Z. So I'm going to move the Y over here and the 176 over there. So I'm going to have X minus Y negative 176. There's my system of equations that I want you to solve. I highly recommend using your calculator.